Hello, this is Jordan from Fika Entertainment. This video demonstrates how virtual production can extend and expand the possibilities for the production of factual, real-time green screen or LED screen content, as well as full 3D CG content for production. In a time when it is difficult to travel to remote locations, virtual environments and virtual production offer on-set flexibility for creatives and will save time and money without sacrificing creativity or the quality of the end output. In this video, we'll talk about some of the benefits of shooting with CG environments, integrating live-action performers with virtual environments, building virtual worlds, and some behind-the-scenes virtual cinematography. In this first video, you'll see an entirely virtual world with an animated camera shot. This is running in real time at 60 frames per second. This is an example of the kinds of assets we can bring into this real-time system. How you set your environment up can range depending on the kind of specificity you want as well as your budget. This scene is created from library and pre-purchased CG assets put together to create a little vignette. We can also take LiDAR scans of specific environments, set them up in our engine, and extend them with CG assets. You can then use and reuse these special environments over and over again. For example, if there's a cave with some special ancient cave symbols on it, rather than bringing a huge crew to shoot in the cave itself, a LiDAR scan or simple photogrammetry shoot allows us to set that environment up, change lighting states, add effects, integrate your host or performers, animate difficult camera moves, and then render it out for HD, 4K, 8K, virtual reality, or games. This shot demonstrates how you can integrate a live-action performer in an entirely virtual world. This subway scene was shot on green screen with real-time in-camera compositing and real-time camera tracking. A green screen shoot allows you to swap the footage out and perhaps dance on the moon instead of public transport, but shooting with LED screens in the style of The Mandalorian can also be achieved using environments just like this. The remarkable thing about virtual production for factual content is that we can create worlds that previously would have been very expensive to create using traditional VFX processes. For example, this world shot features a range of animated camera moves, the animation of the world turning, different lighting states, and the introduction of other CG elements such as the moon or even a satellite. Once the environment is set up and optimized, it can be used and layered with other environments. For example, here we've demonstrated how our solar system environment can be viewed from outside of an apartment window. And then we've added some people in here as well, showing how the final composite might look. The really fantastic thing about virtual production is that it offers an enormous amount of technical creativity behind the scenes. Here is the in-engine behind-the-scenes view of our first scene. The window in the lower right corner shows the camera view as it zooms in. Our virtual cameras can be placed anywhere we like in the scene and render out as many different pathways as we need. We are also able to change the lighting and color grading in real time to craft the most interesting shot and to trigger keyframe animation such as the movement of our crocodile here. What's brilliant about this is that we can shoot the same virtual time of day for hours on end, or set the virtual sun so that it's any time of day or night that you want. We can even make it rain on command. Our end shot is rendered out in real time and can be dropped straight into your edit.